So today I'm going to show you how to open the hood of a 2020 Honda Civic. So if we come over to the driver's side, so if you come down here on the driver's side, you can see you can pop the hood. So you pull that out, come to the front of the car. There's going to be a little thing right here you can depress. So you're going to move to the right. So if you come down here, this is what's going to hold your hood up. So now you can see that that's how you open your hood. If you want to look down here, so the one I put my hand under here, all I'm doing is moving this to the right, and you can see that that's moving over, and that's what lets you open your hood. And to bring it back down, I'm just going to lift up here on the hood, bring this down, and secure it in place so it doesn't fly anywhere when you're driving. So you just let it go, and your hood's closed. So that's how you open your hood. All right, thank you and have a great day.